Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and if you're looking for a fan that fits in your hand but also has a built-in humidifier, this video is for you. So this company, Hand Fan, reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview of our hand fan that also has a built-in mister? Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever. This being provided to me a fictitious review because I'm just here to keep it real. So what all do you get? So you get this, obviously, this is the fan. It does come with this clip, so if you wanted to clip it on somewhere. It does come with a water reservoir, so you can really have twice the liquid volume, if you will. It does come with a USB-C charger that goes right there, and you can charge it up. And then it also comes with a carry strap that conveniently goes right here. So if you're walking around with it, you're not gonna potentially drop it. This thing is extremely easy to use. It charges really quick. It does have LED lights on it right here, as you can see. That lets you know, are you in speed 1, 2, or 3. So there's 3 modes. This would be the kind of the fastest mode, as you can see right here. It gives a nice brisk breeze. But the thing that's very different about this is that it has a built-in humidifier, and there's a water reservoir you can see right here. That's where you fill it up. You can kind of see the water in there, but it's all kind of like encompassed, if you will, inside this. All you gotta do is long press the button, and when you do that, you will all of a sudden see this mist, as you can see, coming out right there. But it doesn't saturate you like you would think you get just getting showered with water. It's very, very fine, but just sort of like a cooling sensation that it's coming out. Pretty cool, very cool. You can long press hold again, and then it will turn off. So you can run this with 3 different speeds. You don't even need to have the mister on, but if you wanted to use the mister or humidifier, just with a click of a button, you can do that. Very, very cool. So from a storage standpoint, it can be folded into a very small, you can see it fits in the palm of a hand, or you can have it sit up, let's just say on a table, something nice and convenient. Very cool. So if you're looking for something that serves a couple different purposes, it's not only portable, it has a fan, but most importantly, it has that little extra, the little extra in there that, the little extra actually is, it makes a noticeable difference. I will say that. It makes a noticeable difference with it. One other very cool feature is, let's just say you don't want the breeze, you don't want the fan to be on. What you could do is hold down the humidifier button, and you just have this very light, very similar to the mist from a humidifier. It's just kind of, you can have that kind of misting on you. It's pretty cool. Very cool, actually. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have.